So before we start, let's get the cliche YouTuber stuff out of the way. Be sure to click the bell notification and subscribe and like this video. Okay, so now that that's done, let's begin. So I start by mixing all the dry ingredients separately, which consist of the flour, the sugar. I use Himalayan salt, baking powder, and baking soda. And I do this so that you don't have that clump of one ingredient in your mixtures or in the pancakes when you taste it, because there's nothing like a pancake with a clump of salt or a clump of baking soda. And then I start with all the wet ingredients, starting with a lightly beaten egg. And for this, I use an alternative milk, oat milk. You can use whatever milk you prefer. And I definitely suggest to use overripe bananas. Overripe bananas are a lot more moist than just ripe bananas, and they're easy to smash. So you just want to smash them to whatever consistency you prefer for the mixture. So now that you have the consistency that you want to slowly add all the wet ingredients together. Now, normally I don't put the egg first. I would normally put the vanilla extract and then the egg, leaving the egg for last, because I don't want to beat the egg too much. That's the vanilla extract, and because it tends to make the pancakes a little bit more fluffy, I like them to be a little bit more dense. And then you want to bring back the dry mixture and then slowly add the wet mixture to the dry mixture. I did this in stages so that we don't have the clumps of the dry ingredients at the bottom of the bowl. So mixing them in stages, you sort of tend not to miss out any. Perfect, so that's the last bit of the wet ingredients, so just mix that completely up. And then you want to bring your hob to low to medium heat. Then I use 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil. And I use 1/2 cup of the mixture so that each pancake comes out the same size and is even. It's a little ASMR for you guys. Apart from that, you see the little bubbles on the top. Once you see them consistently, you want to flip them. It normally takes about 3 to 4 minutes. And then once you flip them, it's 3 to 4 minutes on each side. This is a 3-minute pancake. I like them nice and golden. And then you just want to continue the process. So once you continue in the process, you should get, if you use the 1/2 cup measurement, you should get about 8 to 10 pancakes. And this one I did for 4 minutes, so you see it's a little bit darker than the other ones. So you can do that if you prefer as well. Yep, but there you go. So thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this recipe or even this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you do try this recipe, be sure to leave a comment below and let me know how they came out. And don't forget to follow me on all social media platforms. Thanks in advance.